Phil! I did great. They even applauded. Sort of.
I hate to burst your bubble, kid. That ain't applause.
Phil? What do you want?
2 words! Let's get ready to rumble! That's it! Dance around! You're on the left! Alright! You bad, okay.
See, Phil? That wasn't so hard.
Kid, how many horns do you see?
6.
Close enough. Let's get you cleaned up. Guys, relax. It's only halftime. That doesn't sound good. Definitely not good! Slicing thing! I don't think we covered this one in basic training! My favorite part of the game. Sudden death. Oh, there goes another one. Just like Achilles. Game. Set.